Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by checking prerequisites, your bone structure and current eyelid/fat distribution, because that determines how fast you'll change. Once done, adopt strict head and neck posture and do facial posture drills to lift the orbit area, these prime muscles so changes stack. Then, start 3 sets of eyelid mobility drills, slow blinks and 10-second upward gazes to reduce hooding. Make sure to track twice weekly. Immediate effort yields measurable tightening in days. Once you have daily basics, intensify with resistance work for the lower forehead and orbital muscles. Press fingers gently and push against them for 6-8 reps, 2-3 sessions daily. Make sure to include lateral canthus lifts with focused contractions to sharpen outer eye corners and add soft tissue massage to mobilize fat pads. Also apply cold compresses after sessions to limit inflammation, then finish with brief. Forceful eye opens to reinforce the newly training muscles. You finish by refining appearance. Use subtle eyebrow shaping and temporary taping to train a higher lateral brow, testing for 1-2 weeks to find the best angle. Make sure to keep a maintenance routine, 5 to 10 minutes daily of exercises, consistent 7-8 hour sleep, and hydration to lock in improvements. If you see asymmetry or irritation, pause for 3 to 5 days and lower intensity. If problems persist, consult a practitioner for targeted options and safe correction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.